JCJ Vibers. Today you're vibing with your girl Candace and baby girl
Jordy.
And today we're going to be doing Jordan's hair. So basically, all last week I just was basically doing just normal style, putting her hair up, braiding it, and then putting like the little barrettes on it. Her hair does not last a day. Unless it's braided. My sister usually braids it, but what we're doing right now, just because of the whole coronavirus, we're gonna tackle this by ourselves. I always wash it. My sister just basically, Jordan, chill. My sister just basically goes ahead and kind of like do little styles and put the beads on there. So she do like cornrows. Jordan, chill. She does cornrows. And then she'll put the beads on there, but I always make sure that I keep Jordan hair moisturized, washed. I don't like anybody doing that. I'm crazy about my baby hair. So we're also going to have to trim her ends. I've been noticing Jordan hair has a little breakage. That's because of my mother. I tell her don't touch Jordan hair because she had our hair all messed up when we were little. You know, we all have some pretty hair. My mom just don't know what to do with it. I love you, Mom. You just don't know what to do with it. Don't touch it.
Yeah. Mom, can I copy these things?
Yeah, you can talk us.
Hi, everybody. Today, we're going to do my hair. Okay. Now,
let's get started. That's all you wanted to say?
My hair is mess. Grandma, take
yeah.
hair back.
Yep, her grandma took her hair out. And
Mommy.
Wait. And instead of my mom like gently taking it out like I do, my mom basically pulled out her little beads and pulled her hair. My mom don't know that, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Majority of this video, guys, we may peek in here and there, but it's just gonna be kind of like a sped up. And I'm gonna do a voiceover. All right. So here we go.
Here we go.
Sure.
Everybody, today let's get started. My mommy gonna take off my hair. Grandma's kissing me anymore. And I kiss. Ow! Mommy, that's
I know. I'm trying.
Look at mine. See?
Hey guys, so I have the main choice. I'm going to put this up there. It's mocha and molasses. It's anti-shedding remedy. I put this in Jordan's hair. I do the same thing to mine.
We have two of them. Aww. Mommy likes TV.
I have my deep cleansing clay, my organic apple cider vinegar, light mayo, and pure olive oil with the avocado. I only use half. With this, I'm going to make a deep cleansing, kind of like a protein moisturizer, and I let this sit in our hair. I've noticed with this, it's stimulated a lot of growth, thickness. I have less shedding. Our hair has become stronger. And I just kind of put all these things together, and it's been working really good for us. I just do my measurements by eye. So I just add a little bit of the clay, a scoop of mayo. I cut my avocado in half, which I already had a half cut avocado from when I did mine. I also pour a little bit of the apple cider vinegar and then add my olive oil. So I like to go ahead and part each section really small, just making sure that I'm covering each layer with enough of the mask. I want to make sure that I get all parts of her hair, including her little baby hairs. And I know it makes her hair look straight, but it won't. It's going to define her curls so well.
Mommy, what's that?
It's a conditioner to make your hair nice and pretty and
And
long
chocolatey.
and sparkly.
And cool. And go up and down.
Alright guys, so I just finished putting the mask on Jordan's hair.
Yay!
And I am going to go ahead, I'm making sure that I get all of her little edges and baby hairs.
Yeah.
I want everything to be nice and moisturized. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little plastic cap on her hair.
Monkey cake now.
Alright, so thanks guys for watching our first half. I'm gonna go ahead and let her hair condition for about an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours. I'm really about to let her take a nap. Go ahead and let it just sit in there, and then once she wakes up, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. We're gonna deep condition her hair. I mean, not deep condition, I'm sorry. We're gonna take it out, then we're gonna condition it a little bit, and then I'm gonna style it. Okay, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. You wanna tell her bye? She got good, she gotta take a nap. Alright guys, so
Bye. Bye-bye.
hey guys, so we're back. I just finished washing Jordan hair out. I put a little conditioner in it. Now I'm going to start putting our little stuff in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our stuff in there so we can, I'm thinking about blow drying her hair like on low heat just so I can get it to where I can cut it. I just went looking for my scissors. I must have packed them. Y'all know we about to move, so I must have packed them somewhere, but it's okay. I'll just trim her ends next time. Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna just go ahead and style her hair, guys.